on NEET examinations, Dharmendra Pradhan, the Education Minister, speaks, backing NTA's track record. Let's have a listen.
सरकार उसकी सामना करने के लिए उसको संतुष्टि के साथ बच्चों को उत्तर देने के लिए बहुत प्रामाणिकता के साथ खड़ा है। स्पेसिफिक घटना जो आए हैं उसको सरकार गंभीरता से लिया है। एकेडमिशियंस की कमेटी बनी है, उन्होंने कुछ रिकमेंडेशन किया है, उस हिसाब से सरकार आज कोर्ट के सामने उस पक्ष को रखेगा। और बाकी जो नीडफुल सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश से ही कुछ साल पहले से एनटीए की गठन हुई है। पिछले दिनों में आज एनटीए लगभग 3 बड़े एग्जामिनेशन कराते सक्सेसफुली कराती है, नीट, जेई और सीयूईटी। इतने बड़े देश में जब 13 लैंग्वेज में एग्जामिनेशन होगा, विश्व के कई देशों में एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर होगी, कई प्रकार के स्टूडेंट्स उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। जो घटना हमारे सामने आई, निश्चित रूप में दोषियों को उसमें दंड दिया जाएगा। लेकिन मैं विद्यार्थियों को मुख्यतः और अभिभावकों को आश्वस्त करना चाहूंगा, भारत सरकार और उसकी इंस्ट्रूमेंट एनटीए कमिटेड है।
All right, we're going to try and play his reaction out for you again, but here's Dharmendra Pradhan, the Education Minister, who points out the NTA is a credible agency. They're committed to ensuring smooth affairs of NEET examinations. He backs the NTA's track record. The centre first breaking their silence on the move announced by NTA for re-examination. Dharmendra Pradhan, whose reaction we're going to play for you yet again, but here he says, we'll take action if there are wrongdoings, but from what I know, NTA has a great track record. They are committed to ensuring smooth affairs of NEET exams. Academicians, part of NEET panel, they are all experienced, and a retest has been decided for 1,563 students. Let's cut across exactly what Dharmendra Pradhan has said.
नंबर 1563 स्टूडेंट्स को दिए थे, वो पूरी तरह से उन्होंने एग्री किया कि बच्चों के अंदर डिससेटिस्फैक्शन लेके आया और कहीं ना कहीं ये गलत था। तो काफ़ी लंबे समय से हम लोग ये लड़ाई लड़ रहे थे कि पहली बार ग्रेस नंबर क्यों ले आए, पहले क्यों नहीं आए। तो उन्होंने खुद एग्री कर लिया कि ग्रेस नंबर का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं चलेगा। अब उनका ये प्रपोजल था कि इन 1563 स्टूडेंट्स को हम ऑप्शन देते हैं दूसरी बार एग्जाम देने का, प्रॉबेबली 23 जून को। अब या तो ये री एग्जाम दें ये बच्चे, या इनका चॉइस है री एग्जाम ना दें और जिनके ओरिजिनल नंबर थे वो इनके रह जाएंगे, ग्रेस वाले नहीं रहेंगे।
सुनवाई हुई हमारी, हमने जनहित याचिका फाइल की थी अपनी स्टूडेंट इस्लामिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बिहाफ पे, जिसमें हमने कई मुद्दे उठाए थे। जिसमें सबसे पहला हमारा मुद्दा था कि आपने शुरुआत से इसमें गड़बड़ियां की हैं। जैसे आपने इसका रजिस्ट्रेशन रीओपन किया है 2 दिन के लिए, उसका आपने कोई हमारे पहले से कोई नोटिफिकेशन नहीं इशू किया। दूसरा इशू हमने ये रेस किया था कि जो आपने ग्रेस मार्क्स, पेपर लीक का इशू था, और तीसरा ग्रेस मार्क्स का इशू था। तो आज ग्रेस मार्क्स का इशू कोर्ट ने कंसिडर किया है, और उसमें ये कोर्ट ने ये बोला है कि कोर्ट एनटीए ने आके क्लैरिफिकेशन दिया है, कमेटी बनाई, जिसके बेसिस पे कोर्ट ने ये बोला है कि ठीक है, जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स ने जिनको ग्रेस मार्क्स अवार्ड हुए हैं ये सब दोबारा से अपीयर होंगे 23 जून को, और इनका रिजल्ट 30 जून को डिक्लेयर किया जाएगा।
Let me cut to Milind Sharma, who is joining us. Milind, the first reaction coming in from Dharmendra Pradhan. We're awaiting his full quote. We're going to play that out for our viewers in just a moment. But here we hear Pradhan has backed NTA's credibility, saying they're a great organization with academicians on the panel. They're committed to ensuring smooth functioning of NEET exams, and they've decided to give 1,563 students an attempt again to write the NEET exams, those who were given grace marks arbitrarily. Now, Dharmendra Pradhan, the Education Minister, has spoken for the first time, it appears, after the controversy broke out.
Yes, Nabila. In fact, this was the day that Dharmendra Pradhan was taking charge back as the Education Minister, because remember, the Education Ministry has been retained by Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, who was in Odisha for that crucial swearing in and formation of the BJP government there. He's back, and he's taken all the questions regarding the NTA and the anomalies that are being raised by students and many people against the conduct of the NEET examination. Dharmendra Pradhan clearly said that whatever the Supreme Court's order will be, shall be implemented. NTA is a credible test conducting agency. It doesn't just conduct NEET, it also conducts G, and it also conducts the CUET exams, which is why, questions that are being raised on the NTA, everything is now being clarified. And he did say that a recommendatory committee of academician of high power committee has already been created, and their recommendations have been based on those 1563 students on which we have been speaking about previously as well. And the grace marks that have been awarded to those students will now be removed, and their scorecards will be released without the grace marks, and they will be given an option for a retest. Pradhan also said that the NTA is a credible organization, and also the fact that they have been working to look at the scores of many of the students in a time-bound manner. And he's also said, when asked questions on paper leaks, he said there have not been any anomaly in terms of paper leaks. He's completely denied it, and he has said that there has been a loss of time. The 1563 students were given these grace marks based on a 2018 order from the Supreme Court in a CLAT exam, which we have been clarifying for our viewers. The grace marks were not given ad hoc. They were given based on a 2018 Supreme Court order when a batch of petitions had gone to the Supreme Court asking for, a formulation to be given for students who lose time during examinations. And he has said that one particular center, the Hindi question papers were supposed to be given, where English question papers were given, and therefore the students lost time. So he has taken all the questions head on. He has answered all the questions. And with regards to NDA, of course, he's backed the National Testing Agency and said that its credibility remains intact. Nabila.
All right. Do we have Dharmendra Pradhan's reaction? If we could play that out yet again, what exactly the Education Minister has said on the NEET exams. I'm still waiting for that to come, but Milind, if you could give us more in detail on 1,563 students who've been granted a re-examination. Do you believe that the rest of the students who fought this battle asking for a retest entirely will be satisfied with the move that's come in from the NTA?
Well, Nabila, at the moment, we'll have to wait and watch how many of these 1563 students who have been given grace marks by the NTA are actually going to accept their scorecards without the grace marks. Remember, grace marks were given for loss of time. The grace marks were also given because a physics answer key was changed at the last moment because of a question related to atoms and their properties. And, these are reasons why rank inflations also took place. So once the scorecards of these particular 1563 students will be released by NTA, they will be sent their scorecards. If they're happy with their scorecards, they need not sit for a retest. But if they feel that their score without the grace marks are low or unsatisfactory, then they can sit again for a retest, which will be conducted by the NTA. So that is the option that has been given by NTA. Of course, Nabila, as you and I were speaking, it's not perhaps possible to conduct these examinations for 24 odd lakh students who have given these examinations. 13 lakh students had qualified in the end, and of course, of these, the anomalies that exist where 720 out of 720 marks were received by 67 people, were they part of this 1563 list? If they were, then their scorecards will now be released without the grace marks, which was actually a bone of contention for a lot of batch of petitions that were filed in the Supreme Court, in Delhi High Court, and other, state courts as well. So we'll have to wait and see in a few days when the NTA is soon going to, release these scorecards, and also going to decide the next date of retest and examination that is to be conducted without having compromised on the counseling, which means the admissions of the students who are already okay with their rank and the scorecards that have been presented to them.